We will make a few years the golden age of infrastructure in the Philippines. In other words, we are going to build, build, and build.
The Build program is anchored on Duterte's long-time view and advocacy for a more balanced and responsive regional countryside development for the country. And this video, let me show the top 6 biggest project in Visayas region. Number 1, Metro Cebu Expressway, Cebu Circumferential Road. The Metro Cebu Expressway, MCE, is a 74-kilometer, 46 miles, expressway that would connect the Cebu North Road in the city of Danao to the Naga-Toledo Road in the city of Naga. The project, which will cost 28.1 billion pesos, including road right-of-way, will serve as another north-south backbone highway providing a seamless traffic flow from Naga City up to Danao City. The objectives of this project is to improve and enhance Metro Cebu's seamless east-west, south-north urban intermodal transport, economic and tourism corridors to meet future transport demand and link Metro Cebu's central, coastal, southern and northern urban districts and economic development with a new upland high-standard, high-capacity bypass to speed up in a big way Cebu's shipping of raw materials and finished goods as well as the transfer of our workforce. Number 2, Cebu Bus Rapid Transit System. This Cebu Bus Rapid Transit (BRT) system, a 16.3 billion pesos project. This project is a component of the planned Integrated Intermodal Transportation System (IITS) in the province of Cebu and initiated by the Department of Transportation (DOTR). The Cebu Bus Rapid Transit System is a planned mass transit system for Cebu City located within the Greater Cebu metropolitan area. It is expected to become the first operational bus rapid transit project in the Philippines. This project is funded by the World Bank and Agence Francaise to development and its project implementation is spearheaded by the DOTR and NADA. The BRT project has 2 phases. The first phase will span from N. Bacalso Avenue, located near the South Bus Terminal, up to the provincial capital through the Ismina Boulevard. Whereas the second phase of the project, which traverses Bulacau, Talisay City, southern part of Cebu, to Talamban, northern part, is targeted to be fully operational by first quarter of 2022. Number 3, Cable Car Mactan Cebu International Airport to Mandaue City. The cable car from MCIA to Mandaue City. The GMR Megawide Cebu Airport Corporation agreed that a cable car system would address the traffic problem in Cebu quicker than the other proposed transportation systems. The initial plan of this project is to directly connect the airport to somewhere in Mandaue City. According to the report, the cable car will travel at the speed of 22 kilometers per hour. With one cabin carrying of up to 10 passengers. This is actually a good idea for Cebu. Notably, progressive cities like Singapore had also their own cable car system which have been proven to be efficient and an added tourist attraction to the city as well. The project cost will range from between $20 million and $30 million for each kilometer. The cable car system, called the Aerial Ropeway Transit (ART), was introduced thinking that it would ease the traffic congestion issues in this busy city. Number 4, 4th Cebu Mactan Bridge. The 4th Cebu Mactan Bridge is composed of 2 components, the bridge itself spanning up to 3.3 kilometers and the Mandaue Coastal Road that has a length of 4.9 kilometers with 2 or 3 lanes in each direction. The objective of the project is to respond to increasing traffic demand in Metro Cebu by constructing a long-span road bridge between Cebu and Mactan Island and the connecting coastal road, thereby contributing to socio-economic development through mitigating traffic congestion. The Philippine and Japanese governments signed an agreement whereby JICA committed to provide up to 55.8 billion pesos or 119.2 billion yen in official development assistance (ODA) loans to help finance the new Cebu-Mactan Bridge project. The Japanese consultants started the master plan study last December through a series of preparatory meetings, collection of project background data, and site survey. The fourth bridge is expected to help motorists from the northern parts of Cebu get to Mactan Island faster. Number 5 Panay Guimaras Negros Island Bridge. NIDA and Investment Coordination Committee (ICC) has approved the construction of the 189.53 billion pesos PGN Island Bridges project, connecting the three islands funded through the Official Development Assistance (ODA). The mega project involves the construction of a 32.47-kilometer, 4-lane, and 2C crossing bridges, including its connecting roads and interchanges that will connect the three Western Visayas Island provinces of Panay, Guimaras, and Negros. The PGN Island Bridges project will also allow easier access and will open a network of more convenient transportation linkage that can transform the flow of people, goods and services between the three islands of Panay, comprising Aklan, Antique, Capiz, Iloilo provinces, Guimaras, and Negros Occidental and Negros Oriental. Once finished the project, the connected land passageway is expected to provide a safer and faster travel instead of the usual sea travel between the islands. The Ilonggos have been so excited and optimistic about the dream bridges, Bruited about to offer a safer, faster, more convenient land travel to residents and tourists of the Western Visayas Island provinces, once operational. Number 6 Cebu Light Rail Transit. The top presidential aide for the Visayas has expressed confidence that the long-dreamed of body that will harmonize development in Metro Cebu and the Light Rail Transit (LRT) project would materialize now that the province of Cebu and the city of Cebu have new leaders belonging to one party. With the new leaders, Dino, in his message during the Unity and Solidarity meeting between Garcia and Labella, said he was also positive that the LRT would be operational before President Rodrigo Duterte's term ends in 2022. Even before President Rodrigo Duterte confirmed plans for it, the private sector took the initiative to kick off the Cebu transit system for Metro Cebu. Michael Dino, presidential assistant for the Visayas (PAV), said a group of experts from Singapore arrived in Cebu to do the initial survey of Metro Cebu for the proposed Light Railway Transit (LRT). A previous study on the proposed Light Railway Transit (LRT) project in Metro Cebu suggested that the rails should be above the road to avoid traffic. He shared this with Michael Dino, presidential assistant for the Visayas PAV. The study indicated that the Cebu LRT will cover 3 phases. The first phase starts from Talisay City to Manda City and will carry passengers. The second phase would extend towards Dalagit Town in the south. The third phase would extend to Sogod Town, northern Cebu, and will transport passengers and cargo. The cost of the LRT project for Cebu was at $1 billion. In the cities of Mandaue, Cebu, and Lapu-Lapu alone, the study said there was an increase of close to 9% in motor vehicle registration from 1996 to 2006. Construction of the LRT will cover 4 years, while operation will be 25 years under a build-operator transfer scheme. The facilities will be turned over to the Department of Transformation and Communication (DOTC). The LRT is seen to generate 2,000 jobs during its construction and another 1,500 jobs during the 25 years operational stage. President Rodrigo Duterte, as promised, wanted to refocus infrastructure projects from only in Luzon to Visayas, specifically Cebu City and Cebu Province. In addition, in his SONA, President Duterte said his administration would pursue railway projects in Metro Manila, Cebu and other major key points in the country including the Mindanao Railway Project. Don't forget this video a like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye. Thanks for watching and see you next time.